I want some corn. Troy. Let's cook. Dad wants some eggies. That's for the lens. Hey. Yeah. Dad wants some eggies. So get the pan out. Just one pan. Which one's for the eggies? No. This one's for the eggies. Yeah, this is a pan.
Pan goes there.
Yeah, pan goes there. Okay, yeah, so put the pan on the stove. There you go.
It's eggy.
Yeah, but hold on.
Oh, good. Eggy gun.
Hey, you gotta put your butter in there. Ready? Let's put our pretend butter. All right, we gotta pretend butter in there.
Okay. Cook your butter.
All right, cook the butter. Get it nice and hot. Okay. We're gonna turn that one on. All right, maybe we'll make a stew then. All right. Is your butter all hot? It's all hot. Go get the eggie. Go get the eggie now from your. I know it's in your fridge. Eggies are in the fridge. Oh, there we go. All right, we're gonna get everything out then. Alrighty.
Hi, corn.
You're gonna get corn too? Ew. We're gonna do corn for breakfast? Alright. Yeah, let's just put it on this thing. Alright, hold on. Let's do the eggie first. Put the eggie in the pan.
Pan?
Yeah, go ahead. Put the eggies in the pan. Oh, you got it in the pan. Alright, so look. You got it. You got it. There you go. Alright, flip the eggie. We're gonna cook the other side. We're gonna cook the other side of the eggie. No? You gotta flip it with the spatula. Can I see the spatula? Ready? Look. You flip the eggie. Yeah, there we go. And then you gotta shake it again. You're gonna do it? There we go. Alright, let's flip it back. I think it's almost ready. Ready? One. Are you gonna do it? Alright, you do it. Yeah. Flip it. Oh, whoa! Hot. Okie dokie. Oh, I got it. Hot. Alright, turn it off. Yeah, we don't need it anymore. Go, turn it off. Look. Turn it to 0. 0. Okay. You're gonna turn that one off too? Go, turn it to 0. There you go. 0. Now that's off. Okay, let's get the pot ready. Look, now that's off. That's ready. We're good with that. Let's get the pot. Where's your pot? It's in there, right? Which one are we getting? We're gonna get the one with the lid and this. Yeah. There you go. Uh-oh. It's okay. We'll rinse it off. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the stove for you. Okay? Alright.
No, Dad.
What?
That's
Okay, what are you cooking next? What are you gonna cook down next?
cook hot corn.
You're gonna cook corn?
That's corn.
Yeah? Alright, go ahead, cook the corn. Alright, we're gonna put water in it? Because it needs to boil, right? It's alright, that works. Broccoli's gonna go in there. Oh, and then we're gonna throw chicken in there too. Awesome. That's my favorite. Yeah. Alright, hold on, we gotta put water in it. Ready? Let's turn this on. Alright, we got our water filled up, right? Okie dokie. Let's put here, we'll take the broccoli out. The broccoli's done, I think, right? Is the broccoli done?
No, you cook it.
We gotta cook it still? Alright, ready? Let's cook the broccoli. Here, turn it on. Turn it on. Yeah, we'll turn this one on. We're gonna turn this one on. Go, we'll turn it on to what? You wanna turn it on to 50? You wanna see what? Let's see, can you get it on to 50? Oh, almost there. Here we go. Oh, we went to 4. That's 50. 50. 50. Yeah. Okay, here, cook your broccoli.
A food.
What do we need? Oh, we need this. Yeah, we need. You're right. We need the spoon to stir it around. Go ahead.
Papa.
Go ahead. Cook the broccoli. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, is the broccoli done?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Dad's gonna go get a plate so we can put it on. Here, this. Here, we'll put all of our food that's done. We'll serve it up in this. Look, that's gonna be. Here, put the broccoli. Yeah, put the broccoli in there. Oh, that looks good. Num 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 num. All right, the eggy's done too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna get it with the spatula.
Yeah.
Oh, uh-oh, it's gonna burn. It's gonna burn. Oh no, it's gonna get on fire. Oh, Dad's coming to the rescue. Oh no, don't go on the floor. All right, we got the eggy in. All right, what else do we got? We gotta cook what's in the pot. All right, ready? Let's take this pot off. The pot's still on 50. Go ahead, put that pot on. You gotta put the pot on, right? There we go. And then we'll put this pot in the sink, and we'll clean that later. Okay. Go ahead, stir the fruit, or stir the carrot and the corn and the chicken around. Go ahead.
Done.
We're all done? Alright, let's put everything in. Come on, let's put it in. It's all done. Oh, look at that. That's looking yummy.
Oh, no.
No, put it in. We're gonna eat that for breakfast. Come on, we're gonna eat this for breakfast. What? Come on, let's get the chicken out too. Is it done? Alrighty. There you go, put the chicken in there. Yeah. And then the corn. Oh. Okay. Come on, let's go eat it. You're right. Here, come on. Alright, go ahead, take some bites. Yeah, let's steer the chicken. Oh, is that yummy?
Huh?
Yum 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 yum. Can I have some? I want some corn. Yum 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 yum. Troy. Yum 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 yum.
Okay, get it.
Okay, I'm gonna eat. Wait, give me that. I want the broccoli. Yum 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 yum.
Chicken.
Oh, I can have some of your chicken.
Yeah.
Oh. Can I have a carrot? Oh. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. You're a good cook, dude.